Guys, I'm going to show you how to build an Anki deck. We're going to start all the way at the top with downloading even Anki onto your computer, and then we're going to go from there. So a lot of this will be for a review for a lot of you all, so we'll just kind of fly right through it. So what I'm going to do, once again, Anki is the application that we're going to use for our vocabulary this year, unless you're with Arabic. And you guys are going to be doing a different thing, but if you're with me, this is what we're doing, or if you're with Turkish, Nepali, Malagasy, all of those languages. So what I want you guys to do first is go ahead and type Anki download, okay? And that's going to bring up on Google just this Anki Powerful Intelligent Flashcards. It's the main landing page for the Anki application. And from this place, we're just going to simply go into download, and you're going to download one based on whether you have a Windows or a Mac. Your download. So what that's going to do is going to download the application onto your computer. Okay, so you may, depend on how old your Windows or your Mac is, you'll have to choose the older 32 or 64-bit. But for most of you, you have a fairly new laptop within the last 5 years, and so whether you're Windows or Mac, you'll download that. Okay, after you download that, you're going to go back up to the top here, and we're actually going to choose Anki Web. Okay. When I press Anki Web, this is not going to be how it shows up for you. It's just going to show up as kind of a blank paragraph right up here, and it's going to say log in or sign up at the top. If you have not signed up with an Anki account yet, you're just simply going to fill out the information with the email that you use, enter a password, and then you'll have to jump onto your email to do a kind of a little verification. Okay, and then you'll be good to go. And then from that point, you guys can then pull up Anki once it downloads onto your computer, the actual Anki app, and we'll get going. Okay. So once again, Anki's pulling up, it's checking and syncing, and there we go. Whenever you pull up Anki on your laptop, you won't have all these decks and things. They'll be completely blank, and you'll have to go in and actually sign in to begin using Anki. But from that point, we are going to actually go down, and I'm going to show you how to download a deck from online. So I'm going to come down here to Get Shared, okay? And what I want you guys to do is we're going to download a template, an example deck. So I'm going to type in Fusion here. I've already made one for you guys. You're going to go into the Fusion template deck. It's got one flashcard, very simple. And it's got Baby Yoda on there. So whenever, right down by Baby Yoda, you're going to press the download button, and once it downloads, you'll click on it, boom, boom, and it'll pull up, and what you'll end up seeing is actually this thing in your Fusion template deck. So if I was to click on that, press Study Now, I would see that my test flashcard has come up. And I can press Show Answer, and then I have both the production and the comprehension flashcards, okay? So now I have one deck on my list. Okay. So from that position, I want you guys to the next video is going to be about making and creating your deck. But that is the basics of downloading Anki onto your computer, signing in with your username, and then going to Get Shared and downloading a deck from online. Okay. We'll get to the rest of the next video.